you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers been an A game when they spit with me. Better tell me no single bit of quit in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. What's up, you guys? We're here for another episode of Chainsaw Man. Last episode, Power doinked Denji in the head. Pretty much lied to him. Used them as like bait.
She withheld information.
Yeah, she didn't lie.
She withheld information.
You know, she tried to go save her cat from that bat devil. She promised him a human if he'd release her. He ended up eating the cat and her. And Denji popped off because he wanted to cop a feel. And killed the bat devil, and that's where the episode ended. So we're here for a new episode now. It's called Rescue. So we're gonna jump right in. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and let's check it out. She's like a wild animal. Jeez. So she's new then to the Devil Hunting Association too, because this seems kind of recent. Maybe that's why too she wasn't hesitant to like mess with Denji, because she's still new. She doesn't care. That's gross.
Ew.
It looks like ground beef. Yeah, they even animated the flies. And why did they cup of feel? Denji's a simple man. What just happened? Ew. Hand?
Yeah, another devil?
No, but what caused his hand to explode? This is a ringworm devil?
Ew.
Did that cause his hand to come off, or his hand just exploded? He's good. She doesn't know he's a devil, right? Remember, he said. Remember, he said being Chainsaw Man takes a lot out of him, like on his blood and stuff.
Ew.
Tapeworm devil. That looks cool when he's like half chainsaw.
That thing looks disgusting.
It looks cool though. It's growing on me.
The worm?
Yeah.
With the saggy titties.
Dude, Denji looks cool with just a little bit of the chainsaw.
How did his arm come off though?
Yeah, that's still my question.
Does he have to like consume blood or something?
That's well, he is a devil. A hybrid. Headbutter.
Yeah.
Do it for the Tiggle Bitties. Oh, I hope they make a pop of him like that. So, in this world, devils can have like relationships and... Interesting. This guy has such noble motivations. I just want to feel some Tiggle Bitties.
Ew.
Yeah, this looks like Mappa. This looks like Yuji running on the... when they're fighting the brothers.
Oh.
Power, I'm pretty sure you're okay now. Like, you can go help.
Whoa.
Oh, shoot. Yo, Denji's crazy, bro.
He's really got nothing.
I like his main character story because, yeah, it's not driven by some honor like revenge or protect my family. He just wants to live a normal life, you know. Oh, let's see what this guy can do. Oh! Okay, Megumi.
Leech.
Wow.
It's a fox.
He did the Fushiguro. His dog came up.
I don't think it was a dog. I think it's a fox.
Yeah. He's cool. I like him. That's cool. How you doing, Con? Well, main thing through after all this is Meowie's alive.
I know. Yay! We got this. I got this.
We had this in JJK, now this in Chainsaw. Oh, that dog was another devil he summoned. Fox devil.
Yeah, I was right.
So does he heal? Otherwise, he can't just keep giving parts of his body. He'll have nothing left.
Mm-hmm.
Well, power is on my team, according to Makima, so I would assume he tried to protect her. No, that was the girl who was just trying to get through her shift. He must really use Kon as like a last minute.
Probably.
That's why he has the sword, because it takes a toll on him. I love Denji, bro. Like, you're serious about revenge, I'm serious about these titties. Like, we're on the same team.
Oh, this dude.
Bro, I love Denji. He's so real, that's why. It's not like some over Steve Rogers, like, nobility and righteousness. Just... Who's this Nick Fury Gojo person here? His hair reminds me of something. I can't...
I know.
Because it's not like a man bun. It's just like a little... She gotta be nasty. Yeah, they balance each other. He helps Denji be more serious. Denji helps him relax. It's a good team.
That's what he looks like with his hair down.
I know, I was gonna say, just leave it like that.
I know. You look better like that, I feel like. Or if
Just-
you're gonna tie it up, make sure it's not just a sprig.
It's Sasuke in sweats.
More like Itachi.
Oh yeah.
You know what? He looks like... You would look like that if you were to tie your hair up.
Oh.
It would stick up like that.
Wow, bro. Like, Mappa's even animating the heck out the
He
toothpaste.
looks so much better like this.
Looks like a grown Inosuke. Oh, they're putting a lot of emphasis in his routine. Yeah, is he gonna get killed in his house by some like coffee devil?
Oh, he's an old man.
Oh, I'm sure after he hunts and then Kon takes part of his body, he needs to just relax. Oh, there you go.
Just a point. And we're gonna see how Denji does things after this.
This is like Megumi and Itadori.
Mm. It's just Itadori's not pervy like that.
Jennifer Lawrence.
That's not his motivation. Okay. Well. He's crawling on the floor.
Yo, chill, I'm coming. What the heck? Oh, it's power. It's the hammer. And this is Nobata with the hammer. This is the JJK squad. Like, this is Gojo. You know? Dude, their personalities too is Nobara, Yuji, and Megumi. In their group, there's 2 brain cells, and Megumi has both. Nagi has both. I can't get over. She even has orange hair like Nobara.
I like to occasionally
bathe.
No, she also said occasionally flush my feces.
Oh, she's just clogging it toilet paper.
Yep.
Did she just move it? Did she flex it? This is your moment, Denji. Just don't let the chainsaws come out, that's all. 3, take it or leave it.
I'll give you 3 wishes.
Make it 5.
4.
3. Take it or leave it.
This is the name of the leech devil. She could just use this as leverage and over him for whenever she wants something from him. Yo, this show is wild, bro. I love it though. I love this show. Okay. Meowie and Power are alive. Bat Devil's girlfriend showed up. Disgusting looking devil. Leech devil? Gross looking devil. And then we finally saw what happens when Denji doesn't have like enough blood. Like turning into Chainsaw Man can be like not as efficient or like even fail, you know? So that's not good for when there might be a time where he really needs it and then he can't fully turn. But he's still like super.
It's like a quirk then, because it's like its energy, you know?
Yeah,
like
but
the more tired they are, they cannot really.
True. But he's still, it showed like he's still supernaturally like strong and fast and stuff, that he can still fight just without going full Chainsaw Man. So that's cool. We learned that. We're learning with him more about this thing. Like he can retract the blades. It can be like not 100%. Like we're learning with him, which is dope. And then now they're all pent up together. Makio's orders. And not to keep comparing, but yeah, they remind me of the JJK trio. Like the personalities too, and like how they look. Megumi's Kon. He's like the only mentally stable one. Denji's like Itadori, they have that thing in them, Sukuna and chainsaw, Pochita. And then the orange hair girl with the hammer. Are you okay?
Yeah.
No, but overall though, good episode. I love this show. I love Chainsaw Man. This is a dope show. So now they're all.
What the heck was that?
Hey, at least we know Denji's like.
His motivation.
Yeah, like he's rock solid. Like you can't shake him. If you need him to do something, you know how to motivate him. Like, if you need him like focused on a mission, you know what to say to him. You know how to incite him. How to like get him to like which is good. He's an easy like soldier to not manipulate, but like control.
Bye.
Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, check out my music, all the other content, and follow us on social media. Links will be down below. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.